Our lesson for today is about rational algebraic expression. Rational algebraic expression is an expression which can be expressed as ratio or quotient of two polynomials provided that the denominator is not equal to 0. It can be written in the form P over Q, where P and Q are polynomials and Q is not equal to 0. Here are the examples of rational algebraic expression. 2x plus 4 over x minus 6 if x is not equal to 6. 1 over x cubed if x is not equal to 0. 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 5 if x is not equal to 5 over 3. How can we determine if the given expression is not rational algebraic expression? Number 1. It has a fractional exponent, a to the 2/3 power. Number 2. It has a square or root or the exponent is a fraction. Non-permissible values are values of variable that makes the denominator of a rational expression equals to 0. Okay, let's have example. Number 1, we have 2 over x. So, para makuha natin yung non-permissible values or yung excluded values, kailangan ma-evaluate natin yung denominator into 0. So, example natin, 2 over x. So, ang value ng x natin not equals to 0. So, 2 divided 0 is equals to undefined. Next, number 2. X plus 4 over x minus 4. Denominator natin is x minus 4 not equals to 0. So, para makuha natin yung values ng x, lipat natin si negative 4 sa other side ng not equal sign. So, magiging plus 4. So, ang kanya magiging final answer is x not equals to positive 4. Next, number 3. Y plus 1 over 2y minus 3. So, ang denominator natin is 2y minus 3 not equals to 0. So, para makuha natin yung values ng y, lipat muna natin si negative 3, magiging positive 3. So, bali magiging 2y not equals to positive 3. So, para makuha yung value ng y, divide natin siya both side by 2. So, cancel, cancel. Y is not equals to 3 halves. For number 4, we have 5 over 3x squared minus 6x. So, ang ating denominator ay 3x squared minus 6x. Okay. So, kung mapapansin natin, factorable yung ating denominator. So, ang una natin gagawin is, i-factor muna natin sila. Common monomial factor, ang common nila ay 3x times 3x divided 3x squared divided 3x is x minus 6x divided 3x is 2 not equals to 0. So, unahin muna natin yung 3x. 3x is not equals to 0. Divide both side by 3. X equals to 0 divided 3. X is not equals to 0. So, ang una nating value ng x ay 0. Not equals to 0. Okay, next, we have the x minus 2 not equals to 0. So, para makuha yung value ng x, lipat natin si negative 2, magiging positive 2. So, x is not equals to positive 2. So, therefore, ang magiging values ng x natin, not equal to 0 and not equals to positive 2. Okay, for number 5, we have 10 over a squared minus a minus 6. Denominator natin is a squared minus a minus 6. So, i-factor muna natin siya. So, ang factor niyan using the general factoring. Using general factoring, so we have a times a, negative 6, factor ng negative 6. Pag minus natin, 1 lalabas. So, we have 1 times 6, 1 minus 6, or 6 minus 6 is 5. So, hindi siya yung hinahanap natin. We have a factor of 2 times 3 or 3 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 minus 3 or 3 minus 2 is positive or negative 1. So, yun yung hinahanap natin. So, we have 2, we have 3, we have 2. Since sign natin is negative, yung higher value natin sa factor kanina, siya yung negative. So, a minus 3, a plus 2, not equals to 0. So, una natin kunin yung factor ng a minus 3, not equals to 0. Lipat natin si negative 3, magiging positive 3. So, a is not equals to positive 3. Siya yung unang values. Next, kunin natin yung a plus 2 factor, not equals to 0. So, lipat natin si positive 2, magiging negative 2. So, a is not equals to negative 2. So, ang values na hinahanap natin for number 5, a is not equals to 3, and a is not equals to negative 2.